In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to join a Discord server without an invite. So be sure to watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. You're going to begin by going onto your Discord and scrolling all the way down to add a server. Now, as you can see, if you do already have an invite, you can join the server by using the link. Now, as you can see, it also says don't have an invite. Check out discoverable communities. Now, if you click that, there are so many servers that you can actually join without an invite. There are gaming servers, music servers, educational servers, science and tech, entertainment, and then there's also student hubs. Now, if you click on add a server, this will also be there if you want to create your own server. But as you can see, there are just so many communities that you can join without an actual invite. That's really all there is to it. Be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.